Hi, welcome to Ampri Models video. Today, we are introducing a vegetation model for 1/35 scale diorama from Kamizukuri diorama vegetation product. Tulip, this foliage model for creating a plant for your making a gorgeous diorama and how to make it. Well, here's the steps to make this diorama vegetation. First, open the special seal, which we cannot review the product detail because of this plastic wrap. Once you open the seal, you'll find two foliage models. Use water-based acrylic paints or watercolors paints and brush to apply the paint by dabbing it on rather than with brush strokes. After coloring foliage, cut the tabs connecting foliage to the paper sprue. If necessary, the foliage can be add a wire for creating petiole. Wait for 24 hours for better foliage completely dry. After the foliage completely dry, let's put and arrange the foliage to the diorama. Now, you look your diorama become more gorgeous and looks natural. What your opinion about this Kamizukuri diorama vegetation products, which is bring your diorama space to life. Order online today on our secure online shop, the link on the description below. Many thanks for watching, stay safe and keep healthy always. Until next our videos. Goodbye.